I'll give you the most important, powerful cognitions, understanding, ultimate knowledge. Understand, universe itself is consciousness. Scientists are yet to catch up. Science is too young to catch up with this revelation, to reach this conclusion. Something is conscious, something is matter, is binary logic's delusion. Universe itself is a brain, pure manifestation of consciousness, inside consciousness, of consciousness, from consciousness, established in consciousness. I am not giving you any fiction. I am giving you the absolute truth. You are all consciousness. Universe itself is consciousness. There is no separate force commanding, deciding other than the universe. If your brain starts analyzing, understanding, cognizing, your consciousness, indestructible, even during the great deluge or ice age, or stone age, iron age, you do not perish, you do not get distracted, you do not get destroyed. If you cognize this, you manifest this reality. That is why I insist you understand human beings understanding, your brain cognizing, your consciousness. People who try to rule you, control you, whether politicians or anyone else who tries to keep you under their control, want you to think you are a matter, just a body, biomechanism, because only then you can be controlled, you can be subdued, you can be just a citizen, social security number. Understand the reality. You are hardwired, you are equipped, fully equipped. Absolutely, you don't need anything extra from external support outside. You are fully equipped to wake up to the reality. You are consciousness. You are made out of a stuff. You are made out of a material which does not get destroyed when everything else gets destroyed. You are older and going to live longer than the sun and the moon and the planet Earth you are seeing. Take little time. As Paramashiva, today I will initiate all of you into this great truth. You are made out of a stuff. You are made out of a material which is alive, cannot be destroyed, which is older than sun and the moon and planet Earth you are seeing, which is going to live longer than the sun, the moon and the planet Earth you are seeing. Start cognizing this. Even if you manifest one extraordinary power beyond your logic, binary logic, by internalizing this one truth, you are made out of a stuff called consciousness, and you are older than sun and the moon and the planet Earth you are seeing. You are going to live longer than the sun and the moon and the planet Earth you are seeing. Even if you manifest one power using this powerful cognition, you will start understanding universe itself is consciousness. You need to get out of the brainwashing done to you by the people who want to keep you under control. Understand? The truth I am giving you will liberate you completely. Even once you recognize, hey, this is really true. Your pleasures, your fulfillment, your joy, everything will become absolutely matured. Extremely matured. I am telling you. You are immortal. The stuff out of which your identity is made, the material out of which your existence is created, is the most superior stuff of the universe. As Paramashiva, I did not make you with cheap metal. The most superior material, the best metal, ultimate metal in this universe is consciousness. I made you out of that material. Recognize, recognize. You are consciousness, consciously. Decide. Decide. You will cognize yourself as conscious. This whole Paramashivoham season 3, I am dedicating to make the whole world recognize the material, the stuff, the base metal out of which I made you all. You all manifest from the base material called consciousness. Some of the qualities of the consciousness is eternity and extreme grounded experience of fulfillment and bliss. I am not teaching you fantasy. I am not brainwashing you. I am asking you to get out of the brainwashing done to you by the people who want to control you. My whole civilization is in danger due to the extreme greed of deluded human beings. Even those human beings who are so greedy for everything they see, they are not understanding. Even if they grab everything, they are going to leave this and move to the other space after some time. Neither they can be here eternally unless they realize they are made out of the stuff which is eternal. A deluded person's fear and greed causes worst dangers, especially if they become decision makers for humanity. You are consciousness. You are made out of the stuff called consciousness. I want to repeat this, repeat this, repeat this. I want you to cognize this today. Focus on this today. Internalize this today. You are made out of stuff. You are made out of a material called consciousness, which does not die, which lives forever, which goes on, experiences everything that exists, which is absolute, ultimate security.